Today, Magistrate Helvi Shilemba handed down the judgment on the Windhoek Gymnasium School principal along with 3 of his teachers. The 4 have been found guilty of corporal punishment after a former learner's parents instituted a civil claim against the private school. This is following allegations of corporal punishment incidences involving their then 14-year-old son in 2010. The school's managing director argues that the father knew that corporal punishment is an integral part of the school's code of conduct and that the section of the Namibian Education Act that prohibits corporal punishment is simply not applicable to private schools.
We do have a certain set of norms and values that we operate on. We believe that the teachers were in agreement with that set of norms and what is important to us. Therefore, the judgment of any lower court, as you know, is also not binding on further court cases. So from the start, this is actually what we expected and what we wanted, because we do want this important matter to be handled in the higher court, of which the judgment will be binding on all other courts. We believe that firm discipline is necessary for good order in any school, especially where you have large numbers of learners.
She further added that once a parent hands over a child to a teacher, the parent automatically delegates parental authority to the teacher. On the other hand, this is what the Constitution of Namibia states with regards to this matter.
The law is a law. If we are talking about the Constitution of the Republic of Namibia, it includes everybody. Even our Education Act, it clearly and specifically point out that a public or state school or a private school should abide to that, and they are not allowed by law to inflict pain. The Constitution rules above everything. So even the fact that the schools are actually making parents to sign some kind of agreement for their children to be beaten, that is also unlawful. Even the parents can actually become accomplices in that scenario.
The 4 defendants received a $2,000 fine each or 1 year behind bars. They took the first option. The 4 accused feel that they were treated unfair and that their case was not heard properly. Therefore, an immediate appeal was lodged straight after judgment was passed.